Pastors and missionaries play a special role in the outreach ministry of the Seventh-day Adventist Church, but often it's the dedication of members that makes a difference. Chennai, located in South India, is the fourth largest city in India. A special lady named Fulana lives here, surrounded by neighbors. She has developed a very special relationship with the people of her community. Fulana invests her time in spreading the good news she has learned. She is loved and respected here because she displays great interest in the lives of the people. Fulana takes advantage of every encounter, leaving a Christ-like impression after each meeting. With steady steps, she approaches each person, leaving behind a smile, a prayer, or a pamphlet. This is a living example of Christ's method of ministry. Jesus mingled with people and showed sympathy. He met needs and naturally earned trust before he bid each person to follow him. People from this community and the local church like to visit Fulana on Sabbath afternoon. In this house, they sing a lot of beautiful songs. They pray about their needs and study Bible stories that often provide valuable insight. First-time visitors and regular church members are grateful to read verses that speak about a God who loves them. From simple and friendly visits like these, her neighbors have shown interest in learning about Fulana's Seventh-day Adventist faith.
When I sit with people, I allow them to ask questions. They would tell you they are very happy and that the stories help them. I give explanations about the Bible. When I meet them the first time, I don't tell them about the Sabbath. I just tell them about the love of God, how God created them, and how much God likes them. When we are sharing this love with each other, they tell us, we want to learn so many things. Then lastly they say, okay, we are very happy about the thoughts you expressed. Now where's your church? We want to visit and worship with you.
During this worship time, people have the opportunity to share about the many challenges they face. It's an informal time for them to ask questions and to find help from God and one another. Through genuine friendship and relationship building, Fulana has successfully led many people to God and to the Advent message. Many have already accepted her faith and chosen to be baptized. At the moment, she is sharing with 9 other people. Please pray for Fulana. Pray for strength and tact as she continues to share Jesus' love in a practical manner. Fulana hopes that many people in Chennai, India, will find hope and healing through the gospel. Thank you for your prayers and support of Adventist Mission.